Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Jess and I mostly talk about e-commerce businesses, side hustles, and sometimes about personal finance. In today's video, we will talk about a new side hustle idea that you might want to try, and it's something that you can easily do in the comforts of your own home. That is something that you might be interested in. Stick around until the end of the video. So today's side hustle that we are going to talk about is something to do with sneakers. If you guys are familiar with the app StockX, so I'm gonna link it down below if you aren't familiar yet. But basically, StockX is a marketplace for buying and selling sneakers. StockX is a live selling platform, which means that you will be able to check the live bids and the live asks that other people have placed on the sneakers. If you want to buy an item, you would have to set a bid price, and if you want to sell an item, you would have to set an ask price. So you might ask, how can that be a side hustle for you? So for example, there are certain sneaker styles here in the Philippines that are on sale or has a buy one take one promo, and something that you can take advantage of and sell it at the original retail price on the app. So I'm just gonna show you guys an example of a sneaker that I was able to flip. It's this black and white Ultra Boost 19. Okay, so now we're here on my computer and I'm just gonna show you how to find profitable pairs of sneakers. Okay, so I'm here at StockX and I found this Adidas Ultra Boost 2019 Oreo for women's. Okay, so as you can see, the highest bid or the amount that customer is willing to pay for certain pairs. So once you click that, you can see that there's someone who's looking for 7.5 at $140, and this website has it 7.5 and $7. So for example, I sell this at my 7.5, that amount sell now. So without the transaction fees and shipping, my total payout is 102.5. So that's around 4,929 pesos. This store is actually having a promo right now. 2 for 1, so it's buy one take one. So yung 7,440 natin magiging, so that's 3,720 each pair, and I'm gonna be selling it for 4,929.74. So that's a profit around 1,200 per pair. Let me just check out of this transaction. So as you can see here, I have already placed it on my cart and meron na rin siyang charge of 150 pesos for the shipping fee. So let me just check out of this. ShopLife.ph is basically an outlet store for Commonwealth, another sneaker store here in the Philippines, and they had a buy one take one promo, so I was able to buy 2 pairs for only 7,500. But since this is a step-by-step video, I'm gonna show you guys how I shipped it, how I got the payment, how much money that I got from sneaker reselling. So once you are able to sell your sneakers, StockX will be sending you two things: the sneaker label and the commercial invoice. So you have to print both labels and files and do the appropriate boxing and shipping. Yeah, that's it for this video. I hope that you learned something, and I hope that you guys would take action and try it for yourselves, and let me know in the comments below if you were able to try out the side hustle and how much money you made from it. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Till the next video, guys. Bye.